3 slices of New York City pizza in Midtown that you cannot miss. Hi, I'm Megan, a licensed New York City tour guide, and I'm here to help you find the best slices of pizza in Midtown. Now, pizza is one of New York City's 4 food groups. That's pizza, hot dogs, bagels, and cheesecake. It is delicious, it's inexpensive, and makes a really filling meal. But when I look at New York City, I see every type of pizza that I can imagine. Thick crust, thin crust, meat lovers, gluten-free, vegan. There's even dessert pizza. So we're gonna find the 3 best slices of pizza that are made in gas-burning ovens in Midtown. But before we figure out what those are, I need you to hit subscribe so you never miss a New York Minute.
Yeah, muffin talk. Ooh, muffin talk. Muffin talks, bringing healing to those who need the most.
The first slice I'm going to introduce you to is Two Bros Pizza. Now, no New Yorker is going to tell you that this is the best pizza in New York City. It is a $1 slice. So we love the fact that this is a $1 slice of pizza. In fact, some of my friends and I, like when we're feeling really, really poor, we call this homeless pizza, and it makes a really delicious filling meal. And when you just want like a slice of greasy pizza to make you feel good, perhaps after a bad audition, Two Bros is the place to go. So I'm gonna taste it. I've had it 1,000 times, so I know it's wonderful. Okay, so let's talk pizza for a minute. Traditional New York City style pizza is pizza that's made in a coal burning oven. We're not getting any of that today. They don't typically sell that by the slice because the crust is too thin. But this is made in a gas burning oven, which is what all of our pizza today is going to be made in. So the crust is like more sturdy and it is so flavorful. This is so good. The $1 slice in New York City is something special and unique, and when you visit, you gotta try it and it'll make you so happy. Our second stop is Upside Pizza. Upside Pizza is actually owned by the same people who own Two Bros, but where Two Bros is famous for its $1 slice of cheese pizza that's great after a night of partying, and maybe you've had a little bit to drink and you want something really greasy to soak up all that alcohol. Upside Pizza, they sought to not create the cheapest slice of pizza in New York City, but the best slice of pizza in New York City. So they bought ovens that are like 3 times the price of the gas ovens at Two Bros, and they use fresher ingredients. They have a completely different recipe. One of the things, like at Two Bros, I really just get the cheese pizza. Here, if you get the pepperoni, you will notice the pepperoni is so fresh. It makes these little cups that have grease in them. That's how you know that that's going to be good pepperoni. Now this is made in a gas oven, so again, it's not that coal burning oven that makes traditional New York City pizza, but it is delicious pizza. There's also 4 different types of cheese used on this cheese pizza. You can see the like fresher mozzarella there. So let's give this a taste. It's also like thinner, which for a lot of people is preferable. Okay, so this slice of cheese pizza, whereas the Two Bros one was like, yeah, this is some good $1 slice of cheese pizza, this one keeps surprising you. You keep getting different cheese flavors, fresh tomato sauce, really nice crispy crust. This is excellent. So good. I'm standing next to this man working at a sewing machine. I just want to say that all of the pizzerias that we are visiting today are in an area of Midtown known as the Garment District. A huge number of all the clothing in the United States were actually made in the Garment District. When the Garment District left New York City, a lot of the areas that really used to be sweatshops closed, and you had a lot of immigrants who were like, what can I do? And what ended up happening was in this neighborhood, there's a lot of wholesale fabric stores where you can buy all these different types of fabric. And if you visit the fabric stores, you can actually see the fabric that's used to make like Elphaba's costume in Wicked, or Beyonce's costume when she sang at the Super Bowl. And a lot of the fabric that you see in these stores will actually become the dresses that you pay thousands of dollars for at Saks Fifth Avenue next year. So we have this statue, and we also have a giant button and a needle. And right now there is a bit of a flower show going around as well. So we have flowers around our button and needle commemorating the garment district. But we're now gonna go get ready to get our third slice of pizza, which may be our most delicious. Our third slice is from Joe's Pizza. They have been serving traditional New York City street slices since 1975. They were also famously featured in the Spider-Man movie. Their slices are amazing. Now, I know that in the comments, I'm going to get tons of comments about how I eat pizza. I'm going to attempt to eat this in a different fashion than I've eaten the other slices of pizza. A lot of New Yorkers insist that if you're going to eat your pizza, you need to fold it in half. That way all the grease pools in the middle and you get to taste the crust first with all the cheese and the sauce in the center. And that is an excellent pizza eating experience. Now, I'm going to attempt to show you a trick that I discovered on Scott's Pizza Tours. If you love pizza, I highly recommend that you take a Scott's Pizza Tour. And he taught us this trick of folding the paper plate in half. And then you take the plate behind, and this way you have like a pizza pocket, and you can walk to the subway, and the pool of grease is going to pool in your like paper plate pizza pocket instead of dripping down your hands, and you can eat your pizza as you run around the city. So I'm going to go do that. I'm going to go eat my pizza in my pizza pocket, and then I'll be back to talk to you about how much you should pay for a slice of New York City pizza. I have devoured my New York City pizza slices. Each and every one of them was delicious. I think they all offer something special and unique. And while not the traditional New York City coal-burning, oven-baked pizza, they are a New York City staple to get these slices. But it's important to know, how much should you pay? Well, 2 bros is $1. That's great. That's really on the low end. That's like the cheapest pizza that you're going to get. The New York, basically, rule of thumb is that you should spend the same amount on a slice of plain cheese pizza as you spend on a single subway ride. Right now, that is $2.75. If the subway ride fare goes up, usually the slice of plain cheese pizza slice goes up as well. Now, to talk about prices, we had 2 bros, which is $1. Upside pizza was $3 for the traditional cheese slice. That's a little on the expensive side. And Joe's was $3.25. So technically, according to the New York City rule of thumb, I paid 50 cents too much, but it was so delicious that I think it's worth it. Also, Joe's was featured in Spider-Man, so it's a bit of a movie star now. You're paying movie star premium. So those are my 3 favorite New York slices of pizza in Midtown. You have 2 bros, Upside Pizza, and Joe's. 2 bros and Joe's have locations all over the city, but if you're in Midtown, if you just want something quick before you get a Broadway show or inexpensive lunch, go to those 3 places. They are amazing. For more New York City tips and tricks, make sure that you click subscribe so you never miss a New York Minute. I have tons of awesome videos for you to watch to help you have your very best New York City experience. Thanks for watching.